Hi everyone, I'm gonna quickly show you how to make a Lenovo Ideapad 330 to use its second the DVD-ROM drive to make it extra hard drive, to put in an extra hard drive or to put in an SSD hard drive. So yeah, let me just show you quickly. So if you turn around, usually you will get, this is like your DVD bay, but as you can see there's no DVD-ROM or DVD writer. So if you remove the screw here, which shows you the DVD, then you can actually pop out this bay. And if you pop out this bay, you will realize, yep, there is no hard drive, or there's no DVD-ROM as well. So what you can do is you can order this small part here. It actually fits right here nicely in this bracket, and then you can just put in your SSD hard drive or a secondary hard drive, and it slips in easily. Clicks in, bobs your uncle. What you can do is you can add some screws there as well to keep it more secure, and then you can just pop it in. And there you go. As simple as that, how to add a second hard drive or an SSD hard drive on your Lenovo. Alright, thank you very much, Bye bye.